And for day 16 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, we have the Ghost. This was from the set 75053 in 2014, a 929-piece set with 4 minifigs. The set had a lifespan of just 15 months, costing £70 when new and now worth over £430. The Ghost was a modified VCX-100 light freighter originally made by the Corellian Engineering Corporation. It was named by Twilight Hera for its ability to evade Imperial sensors. Although an old vessel with a few dogfight scars from the Empire, it still performed reliably. The ship had a nose turret gunner station underneath the cockpit section with a dedicated gunner seat and a 360-degree dorsal laser cannon turret amidships. There were 4 main cargo holds, and the vessel had a crew section at the front half with 2 forward-facing cargo holds making up the forward corners of the ship. The Ghost was equipped with both port and starboard docking rings, like the majority of Corellian light freighter designs. If there was no nose gunner available, the pilot could operate the nose turret from the cockpit, and additionally, the dorsal turret could be operated from the cockpit via an astromech droid socket or with a set of controls besides the pilot's seat. Behind the cockpit was the crew quarters, consisting of 4 private rooms. The Ghost had engines which were baffled, energy dampers and static jammers to make it hard to detect. These features, and over 87 illegal upgrades to the Ghost stealth systems, allowed it to mimic solar fluctuations or cosmic radiation on many ships' sensors. The astromech droid CP-10P, or Chopper, frequently got into arguments with the Ghost Navicomputer when sending it commands, with the Ghost finding the droid very rude and pushy. On the roof of the ship at the back rested the VCX series auxiliary starfighter called Phantom. This versatile craft performed double duties as both a starfighter and a shuttle, and when it was docked tail forward, it performed a third duty as the Ghost aft gun armament. Although the Phantom was destroyed during a mission to Reklam Station, the Sceptres replaced it with the Phantom II, a stealthy P-class transport shuttle commandeered during a mission to Agamar. The Ghost was part of the Alliance fleet, which engaged Imperial forces in a battle above Scarif as the plans for the Death Star superweapon were stolen. And the Ghost was yet another craft, rounded up by Lando Calrissian to form the Citizens Fleet for the battle above Exegol.